All right, guys, you may be getting tired of me with these promo videos, right? Promises are kept in e-estate, okay? Because integrity matters. That's all matters in this space. You have to have integrity for people to trust you and for people to be able to see what you are doing and keep it consistent. Trust me, people with flooding, right? Those are the things that you need, the ingredients that you need to be number one in the space. And e-estate has proven time and time again by keeping their promises, right? So let me show you a few screenshots. Same screenshot that I've been showing you guys these days, right? The same promises that has been kept by e-estate. They told you that in this promo, if you purchase a piece of the desert villa, they are going to reward you with free lake house. And this is typical example of what they have done. This is a screenshot of our team member that just did this purchase, right? You notice that he purchased 2 desert villas. Okay, the first one he was given the 250, second one he was given the 250. So these are promises that has been kept by e-estate. You buy one, you get one for free. That's what they are doing in this promo. Remember, the promo ends 12th of July. So if you want to take action right now. Let me take you straight to the back office and show you the desert villa. So when you register just now, you will have access to this back office, okay? But remember, if you are brand new to e-estate, you will need to do the KYC, okay? When you have done the KYC, you will be able to deposit your $1,000, okay? When you deposit your $1,000, you will come up here and purchase this desert villa, okay? There is a buy button here. Just click the buy button and follow the screen prompt to complete your purchase. Immediately after you finish your purchase, within 12 hours, I think, you will now be able to get the free lake house, which is the $250 I have been telling you about since these days, right? So please, guys, don't sit on this. Jump in now, right now, and get this before it is sold out, okay? Or before the promo ends, because the promo is going to end very, very soon on the 12th of July. So if you don't join now and purchase a piece of this desert villa, you are going to miss out. It's as simple as that. Now, don't get me wrong. There are other people that are also purchasing multiple of the desert villa. As you can see from here, this guy purchased more than 5 desert villa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of this desert villa, or maybe even 8 of this desert villa that this guy purchased, and he has been given the equivalent of the lake house for each of those purchases. Okay, free lake house, free $250. That's a lot of money that the company is offering to give you, okay, when you purchase the desert villa. And they've kept that promise, as you can see, okay? All this documentation that you are looking at right now is far more powerful than just the words that I am, speaking just now, guys. So don't sit on this. That's the point of this video. Promises are kept in e-estate because they know that their integrity matters. That's why they are keeping the promises, okay? Unlike other platforms that don't keep promises, e-estate, they have been consistent for more than 1 year, keeping these promises all the time. Every single month we have this promo, okay, that comes every month. It's entirely up to you if you want to participate in the promo or not, but it happens every month for the past how many months I have been in e-estate. So guys, this is the best time for you to jump in with the link below this video description. I look forward to seeing you purchasing 1 or 2 of those desert villas before the 12th of July. Thank you and God bless.